Truffle oil, made by infusing olive oil with truffle essence or real truffles, has a strong, earthy flavor that's distinctive of truffles. Olive oil, on the other hand, has a more neutral flavor that can range from fruity to grassy depending on the type of olives used. Oil infused with truffles might acquire a slight truffle flavor, but that flavor would be ephemeral, dissipating long before the bottle reached you. Bits of truffle are mostly included as window dressing. Truffle oil is a food science invention from the 1970s. Truffle oil is often marketed as a luxurious and indulgent ingredient, but the truth is that the majority of truffle oil on the market isn't actually made with real truffles. Instead, it is often made with a chemical called 2,4-dithiopentate, which is designed in a laboratory to mimic the aroma of truffles. This synthetic compound is far cheaper than real truffles, allowing producers to create a product that smells and tastes like the real thing without the high cost. The use of synthetic truffle aroma has sparked controversy in the culinary world, with many chefs and food enthusiasts arguing that it is misleading to label these products as truffle oil when they do not contain any real truffle. Some also argue that the synthetic aroma pales in comparison to the complex and nuanced flavor of real truffles. Additionally, there have been concerns raised about the potential health risks associated with consuming synthetic truffle aroma. While the compound is generally recognized as safe for consumption, some people may experience allergic reactions or sensitivities to it. As consumers become more informed about the dark secret truth of truffle oil, there has been a growing demand for products that use real truffles or natural truffle extracts. However, it is important for consumers to carefully read labels and do their research to ensure they are purchasing a product that aligns with their values and expectations.